Hello and welcome to my channel, a channel where we make structural engineering design simple and easy. My name is Comedy and I'm your host. I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who has subscribed to our channel and those who have been asking a lot of questions. We really appreciate that. We really appreciate that. And if you know you've not subscribed to this channel, please click the subscribe button. That is the only way you are encouraging us to put out more videos, for you. And also, online Prota course is still up there, and we'll be putting the link to get the course at our bio. So if you open our bio, our cover page, you just see it there. Our bio, you see it there. We are going to put it there for anyone that wants to understand more about protastructural design. You can click on the link and get access to our online course. And also, we are already planning, those are super fan members, our super subscribers will be having a super fan membership soon. Everything is almost set, and some of the benefits you as a super fan, if you are a part of the member of the community, you will have a lot to gain from the membership. So more will be coming. We'll be telling you more about the membership and how you can access the member and the benefits you can get. So today we'll be talking about something a subscriber has been asking me. How do I arrange, or how do I go about my design or my drafting? How do I go about it? So this video will be talking about how I plan my drawing from scratch to finish. So this is the list I follow when I'm trying to get my design or when I'm drafting. These are the sequence: the structural drawing arrangement. The first is the cover page, second is general notes, third is the foundation layer, the fourth is the foundation section, and the fifth is the foundation footing detail. The next will be column detail. After that is the staircase detail. Then after your staircase detail, we have the general floor slab layer. But if it's a single floor, you just put first floor slab layer. But if you have 2, 3, 4 floors, it becomes first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor, and so on. But I just put general so that you know first floor, you put first floor. But if it's multiple floor, you put the level of that floor. So after that is still the general floor slab reinforcement detail, the top and the bottom reinforcement. After that, you have your floor beam detail. After you've done that, the next thing to do is your roof beam layout. After the roof beam layout, you have your roof beam detail. So it all depends. This is the sequence I use for my detailing. So I'm going to walk you through my process of determining my detail. So the first thing you need to know is the architect sends you, when the architect sends you the drawing, this is how most of them will look like. The architect will give you this drawing, this sort of drawing for you to work with. So the first thing you need to do is look for your column position. Get your column position. That is the very first thing you need to do. very first thing, without thinking of any other thing. That is the first thing. But right here, the architect has already given us his own suggested column position. His own suggested column position. So the first thing I will do is to make sure that all the column positions, we have grids on it. Grids on it. You can't work without grids. So we name this. Let's name this A prime. We already have A, B, so we can name it. We say A prime. Yeah. Then this we say B prime. That is it. Okay. So that is the first thing we do to make sure that all the columns have grid lines. So after that, what we do is to copy, is for you to copy your column. Once you copy the column, mark, we have grid line A and grid line 1. Look at here, we have grid line A and grid line 1. So what we do is we copy it and we superimpose it on the different layers. So we have this, we have this, and we have this. So after you've done that, the next thing you need to pay attention to is where is the columns falling in? Where are the columns falling in? Okay, we say we need all these grid lines, so we should arrange the grid lines there. Same thing we have to. So what we'll be doing in this video, I will only show you how you create your column position. How you create your column position. Subsequent videos will be doing how the games are created and every other thing. So with this, you are seeing all these column position coming out here. But for these are lettable space, or like shop where you can still allow some of these columns to budge out without it disturbing much. But after this floor, this is the first and second floor, and going to your third floor, you need to see where the columns are falling. This column is falling at the door. It's falling at the door. So you look at it, this is falling at the middle of the dining. This is falling at the bedroom. This is falling at the center of the main lodge, the kitchen. So these are all falling at a place where it is unacceptable. So what do you do? So with what we have now, okay, let's check the next floor. Okay, if you pay very close attention, you're seeing that some of them cannot go beyond that floor. Some of them cannot go beyond that floor. So what do you do? The first thing I do is to mark X at the ones that cannot go beyond that floor. Those that cannot go beyond that floor, I mark it S. Okay, this can go beyond this floor. This can go beyond this floor. Same thing here. Same thing here. Same thing here. And same thing here. Same thing. And this is at the door. This is here. It can't work here. This can't work here. So as we look at this, okay, this we have another one here. This cannot work here. Okay, I think we are good. Yeah, I think so. I think so. Yeah. Okay. So what we do is we copy from here to the next floor. Copy from here to the next floor. And when we do that, we find out that okay, this can work here, this and this. On this floor, okay, this can work here. Same thing here. Yeah. Okay. Okay. So what you need to do now is at this part where this cannot work, you try to terminate the columns at this point and you start a new column at this any other part that you know it will work. Any other part you know it will work. So I may choose to create a column here and see if it will be okay in the next floor, or you check on this floor and see if you move it whether it will work. So this is what you do. You either move it here. Let's say we move here. Let's move here. Let's move here. Let's assume this. Okay, so let's assume this and we. But please pay attention. This circular column, you can choose to make it square. You can choose to make it square, provided it fits properly in the walls. You can choose to make it square, so it's up to you. Choose to make it square. Okay, we're having this. Okay, we choose to. Normally, when I'm working, I discuss with the architect. If I'm introducing a column here, I will call the architect and ask if it's possible for him to move his windows backward or forward or whatever it is to give my columns space, so you have to discuss with your architect so that you don't just alter his drawing. So this is what we do. You can either move it here, move it, you can move it to see. Okay, so we are done with that. If we move all these columns, if we move our columns from here now, the new columns that we've created, created some new columns. this is just an example, it's not really detailed. So for you, you have to detail your work very well. You have to. This is just because of time. I can't really do the detail, but I hope you understand what I'm trying to achieve. I hope you understand it. You come here and drop it here. Okay. Yeah. Okay. And this new one we created is coming out here. Okay. Let's see. Okay. 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 This new column is bedroom name here. The others are okay. So what you need to do is what you need the most time, or what I do is I will change the color so that I can identify it. I'll move it and just copy and see if it will work here. So it all depends on what I want. When you may choose to play with it, move it closer, and we move and superimpose it. And this is once you are able to achieve this, then your work is almost done. So it's meaning instead of we putting it here, we move the column here so that it can from here go straight to this floor. So this is not I won't really do it in detail, but I hope you get what I was trying to do. If we choose to do this, we may choose to do this. Click here, and move to this point. If we move to this point, let's see where it falls here. So it falls here, so we can either choose to work with this, you can choose to work with this, or this other one. So this is how I create my column. So once I finish creating my column, the next video will be how I create my beams. But for now, we'll be talking about just how to create your columns. So this is how I create my column. I try to place them in such a way that it doesn't affect the space of the house done by the architect. All what I try to do is to hide my columns in the wall as much as possible. And my column space, as much as I can, is I try to limit it between 3 meter to 5 meter. If it's going above that, I'll break it. I'll reduce the span by, instead of the spacing between them to be like 7, 8, 9, 10, I try to limit it to 3 meter to 5 meter. So with something like this by 7.75 meter, if I'm introducing a column, I try to introduce a column to break this part. So this is how I create my column. Our subsequent video, I will explain how I create my beam and my slab. So I hope this was helpful. I hope it was helpful. But if you have any question, please feel free to
leave your comments, and also get also, if you've not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, and want to push out our membership for the super subscriber. Please, if you want more of it, you can join the community. It will start soon. So until I come your way again, remain blessed. Thank you.